Hey guys, so today I'm going to be talking about how I tie my turban, and if you want to watch, stay tuned. Okay, so this is what I have right here. I have just this long, just this strap long thing. So I'm just going to tie my braids back. This is good. Ooh, get it in. Okay. I love that this is actually zigzag because it just helps the edges naturally. Okay, so now I just have this two parts that are together, and I'm going to take one of the sides because they're both the same length. So I'm just going to take one at the side and tie it at the back. I'm not gonna come forward, I'm gonna go to the back because I want it to give me that, even though my hair already gives me that shape, I want it to give me more of that shape, that like I have a bigger ogo. I'll just go, just wrap it, just wrap all around. So I'm going over where my braids are. You guys can see. And now I'm going to take the other side. I need to go back as well, so that, because this side is giving it a weird shape. Yeah, okay, that looks better. Okay, so now it's usually preferable to let it end at the back, so it just looks much nicer if it's just clipped in at the back. But the length of this won't let me, so I'm just going to move this like this, and voila. And if you want, you can move it back, but I think this is nice already. This is it. If you enjoyed this video, remember to subscribe right down below and give it a thumbs up. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.